Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will display a string in the HTML text field or text box using PHP. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. One of my viewers asking me how to display a string in the HTML or hypertext markup language text field using PHP. So here is the solution. We have here the HTML head, title, display a string in HTML text field using PHP head, body, and then I declare here PHP tag, define a variable to hold the string. So $string, I have a word, PHP programming, display the string, br input type text, this is the text box or text field, value, and then I add this code, no, starting PHP tag, echo $string, and then I close it, and then the size is 30, and then body tag, close body tag, and close HTML tag. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my 2 websites. Let us go to our browser. So we have here refresh PHP programming. So if I change here, let's say Bacolod City, save. Let's go back to our browser. When I refresh, it will display Bacolod City. When I remove and then refresh Bacolod City, it will display again. When I change the string here like computer programming in PHP, value in our $string, let us go to our browser, refresh. So we have here the output, computer programming in PHP, display in our text box or text field. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on display a string in HTML text field using PHP programming language. Thank you so much for watching and your support to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe. Your support is highly appreciated. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.